Hey, Tom Jordan here, and you're looking for information on Evolve Health, and that's a great thing. That's a great thing because it is going to be a pretty spectacular company, in my opinion. Right now, it is brand new, and it is in a pre-enrollment phase. That means you can sign up for this company to become a distributor for free. That locks in your position within the company on the food chain to allow you to pre-position to get your business going the right way. And that's what I want to talk to you about. You see, I'm excited about the product. I'm very excited about the product. But I'm in the business of marketing. And this company, to me, with all the great product and the people that they've put in place, just doesn't seem to know how to market online. I listened to the comp plan right off the bat, and the first thing they led with is tell all your friends and family. Well, I know a lot of people, but I don't know enough people in my friends and family to make me successful in this business. Yeah, I want them to buy the water. That'll be great, and I'm going to. But I want to teach you, the new person in this business that wants to be successful, the right way to do it. I want to show you, after you're on my team, some of the interesting and exciting methods that I've learned in this business to become successful. You're not going to learn that through the replicated websites, the replicated emails. I want to teach you the right way to do it. And I'm going to give back a lot of money to cancer research and cancer therapies with this company. So pre-enroll with the link below, and I'm going to see you on the other side, and I look forward to meeting each and every one of you, and we're going to take this thing by storm. I know it.